Let me start the record. Yeah, Ayush, how are you?
I'm fine.
What we are doing today?
We are we are doing some drawings on Tux Paints.
Okay. Why we are doing this? So you want to record something so other can learn?
Yes.
This is good idea. Let's record some of the good drawings you do using Tux Paint, and then we will publish onto YouTube so other can learn. That is a good idea.
Can I open a file?
Yeah, you just tell how to open a file first. Like,
Look, this can save your picture first. But double click it. If you want to save it, you can save it. If you don't need, I'm not saving it.
okay. Oh, this.
Comes all like
Oh, fresh screen comes now. Okay. Good, good. So,
we are making a rainy day and a rainbow picture. Let's
oh,
see how we can do.
oh, you are
First
making
press
a.
and
Okay, what we have to do first?
we press green color and fill it on the full blank.
Okay.
Then we make a line of
Oh,
black color.
where we have to click on a line to draw line, where we have to click? Oh, that lines button. Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
no saving. Let's do it simple and green. And here we go. Then we do lines, black.
Oh, you click on a black, then you can draw the line. Okay.
To undo, if we cannot make perfect in one time, just to undo.
Oh,
And to show. Yes, save it. Fill.
oh, you are doing fill with green color. Okay, very good. Now you
Yes.
are taking a lines and drawing a line. Okay, very good.
I think so it's doable.
Very good. You have to do end to end, otherwise you cannot fill the color. Like if it space is there.
That's the magic of Tux Paint. Now
Hmm.
what I do, I press out pen and do this color, blue. Then I fill
Oh,
it in the outside. Look,
okay,
it
very good.
became white.
It is looking
Now
like a
I
sky like now.
now we put in a stamp and we select a penguin. The
Okay.
penguin. Then we put it like this.
Okay.
We put a mirror so we can put other penguin
Oh, you have to do
like this.
mirror like. Okay. So it can be facing each other. Very nice.
Now we do this and do the black color.
Wow.
I think so this is true. Now we do the fill and fill back in both of them. Is it looking good, huh?
Yeah, it's looking good now.
Now we go in the rainbow button, magic. Let me
Okay.
go here. Brick. If you see brick, then you have to go down in the tablet.
Okay.
In my tablet, you have to go down and select. In bricks, you can see many options. Grass will come here. I will show you, and rain will come. Show you. Later on, let's find rainbow, real rainbow.
Okay. Real Rambo. You.
It's a little lively, wobbly.
You have to drive. You have to put carefully. Yeah. This.
Yes, but take it better. That's what I was doing.
Hmm.
Now, magic. Oh,
You have to try 2, 3 times to draw it properly. Like. Huh?
you can make.
Yeah. Correct. I got it.
Things a little bit too small.
Wow.
Now
Yeah,
go.
this is very nice. Looking very nice. Yeah. So you can undo like when it is not properly like so.
Yes,
That's a good way.
that's
Like
why it's the underwater. Now you go on streets. If you want to draw on without color, you could draw. But I am color cycle. This is the magic. It's not the magic for students, but it's a very good magic. You go
Hmm.
over here. It's a sun.
Okay, very good. Okay.
Then we will make the clouds. Now, no, this is one button.
I think you can take paint. I think paint using paint you can draw it like okay. So first you drawing outline and then you color it. Okay, very nice. Wow, super cloud like it's
Now
looking very nice.
we go on field, so we do not color all.
Oh yeah, you can feel it like wow, very nice.
Now we go on the paint and make another cloud.
Okay, inside Rambo. Oh, it's very. You have to take a smaller like pen. I think it's a very. Yeah. Oh no! Don't draw on Rambo. Like
Rainbow.
you can go inside Rambo. Like smaller one. Yeah, smaller. This is good. You have a always undo option. So if something is not good, you can do undo. Feel connect it. Otherwise, it will small. The smaller one. Like yeah, very good.
Make smaller.
This is good size.
And now we see color. Which color should we? We should do it.
Very
Not
nice.
looking good.
Very good. Yeah, looking very good. Now what you'll do next? One more. Oh, don't draw on sun. You can draw a little down. Like the sun will be not visible.
It rains and does not be visible.
Okay. Oh yeah.
It will be very down.
Yeah, little up. Yeah. Very small one you can draw. Wow, very nice.
Now we will fill. Go and fill. Now we have to paint this. Paint.
No, you have to
Paint.
feel the sun is little visible. Like you can feel it. Like there also you can feel it.
I am just painting.
Oh, you can painting it. Okay. So paint. Oh, you have taken the paint and then painting it. Okay. Filling might have little easier. Like, but yeah, it's okay. Looking nice. What next
Now
you
we
will do?
will grass. Now we
Oh,
will go in that and now where we will go and break. That will be the grass that I told you. This one grass.
this grass. Oh, okay. You'll make a grass now. Oh, this green one is you are making as a grass, like oh, grass ground, like ground with a grass because it's raining, so everywhere you could see grass, like
Yes.
just looking so nice. You have to draw grass everywhere, like because of the rain and water everywhere.
Now we have to make the rain.
Oh, you are going to make rain also? Wow. Wow. So it's looking like it's raining. Oh, wow.
So when if you want now the drawing is done. If you want to save, you can save. If you not want to, you will quiet. You will no take me back. If you want to save,
If we want to save, we have to click on save, like, huh? Okay,
yes.
save it, like, save it so
Open,
we can.
open.
Oh.
So we can. I made look this one.
Hmm.
Look, it came here.
Oh, very good,
Thank
Ayush.
you.
Thank you. Thank you for teaching us such a nice drawing. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.